Today I'll tell you about video-to-text conversion for free and without registration. For this, we will use the speech-to-text service. The service offers high-quality speech recognition from audio and video files, as well as from YouTube, and provides convenient tools for working with text. Let's take a look at how the transcription process from a video file works. Choose the language and the number of speakers, or leave these settings automatic. The AI will automatically detect the language and how many speakers there are in the video. Simply upload your video file. The service supports many formats. Depending on the length of your video file, the service estimates the processing time. But don't worry, on average it takes about 10 minutes to process 1 hour video. The result won't take long, and soon you'll get your text with timestamps and speaker separation. Download the text in a convenient format and use it as you like. Everything is simple and convenient. Try voice-to-text transcription for free and without registration today, and see the convenience and quality of speech-to-text for yourself. The link to the service is in the video description.